Okay, so let's review all the updates and the changes. First, you'll notice the peephole in the door is off. I've already watched the video and was given the USB stick in the beginning. The video of don't open the door, I'm outside. Got that. So now I've started the clues. I have to find I have to solve all 5 senses. You'll see my countdown timer. So let's start with the touch. No, sorry, let's start with the sound. So as you know, the card is underneath that drawer here. I'm going to pretend I picked it up and saw it. Go to the keyboard and the card says, the playing card says Adage, A-D-A-G-E on it. You'll notice both of these two frames are standing. If I get the card and then I come here and type out and this is just my notes, don't mind this thing. You'll notice the picture frame fell over. When you touch it again, you'll notice that the picture has shifted in the frame, and I'm going to have in the white space, the clue will be there, the number of the answer will be there. So that is the sound clue, because we've done sound. Let's do the taste. So right now the bottle of wine is empty, and you'll notice that the picture frame is the picture we normally have. If I set the time to 5 o'clock, let's go. And then the corkscrew drops out. This is the temporary corkscrew. I pick it up, I bring it over to the bottle, makes a popping sound, and there's my bottle of wine. If I touch the wine, it fills the glass. If I drink the glass, gives me this message: drinking on an empty stomach, things around you might start to look strange. If I turn around, the picture frame is warping. If I go back, drink another glass, I get another message, and if I turn around, it is warping some more. Third glass, even crazier, and these graphics I may change up a little bit. Fourth glass, also wonkier. Again, not sure I like the graphic right currently, but and then don't mind this, but this is like I've drank the fifth glass, which is, by the way, is the last glass. And now this is this, but it's going to ultimately have the number kind of involved in this warping. You'll see it. So now we've solved the sound on the piano and the taste with the wine. We have touch. By the way, you'll still notice the peephole is still off. Touch, if you walk over to the laptop, you guys can't tell, but my cell phone is vibrating right now. It's vibrating in the pattern that is, I think it's 3, 1, 2, 5, 4, 6 or something like that. And if you look at 3, for example, 3 is the first letter, it's red. The key is red. There's only one letter red, that's M. The second letter is 4, no, 1, which is this like, it's like magenta, and that goes with O. The third is 2, which is green, so the third vibration is 2. It basically goes buzz, 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 like kind of Morse code in that order. So when you type all this out in the letters and the orders, M-O-R-P-I-S, which is death. And when I hit enter, it tells me that I solved the sense, which is my notes, and then it takes me to this breaking news article. This is just a temporary web page again, and this news article will have certain letters that are red, which spell out the clue. Now I've solved 3 of the 4 senses. Ultimately, I will also have to solve smell at this point. And when you've solved all 4 of the senses except sight, you'll notice that the peephole lights back up. Like, oops, hello, lost my place. Now the peephole's lit back up, so I can look back outside the door. If I click on the peephole, first we're going to see an ad, so hold the thought while I play this ad. By the way, I've also established a hint system. Every 5 minutes that you don't advance in a step along the way, either by like finding the playing card, typing adage into the piano, or you don't find the corkscrew or don't open the bottle of wine, every 5 minutes it's going to give you a random hint to solve each one of these puzzles. Okay, now that I've seen the ad, this is going to be this is basically me looking through the peephole at the, sorry, this is I think a little wonky right now. And the pin to the safe is going to be kind of this will be a picture of the wall outside the door, and the pin, that'll be the pin to the safe. If I go to the safe and enter the pin, which currently is 4, 5, 6, 7. There's my light bulb. If I bring it to the light fixture, you see this little twisty symbol on it. That just shows you can twist it. And if I twist it into the socket, now I've solved sight. And solving sight is by looking at the black light board and seeing the number. Now I should have all 5 numbers. I will have the number for each sense, where sight is the last one. You can't do sight until you solve the other 4 and the peephole light leaks back up. So now I've got all my 5 senses. We have to figure out the order of those 5 numbers, which is going to be related to this cork board, which isn't done quite yet. And then when you got all those numbers, you're going to go back to the phone. And before you picked up the phone and the person called in and said, come to the door. Now, if I pick up the phone.
Thank you for calling the lab. Please enter your 5-digit code and we will confirm it.
I'm calling the laboratory that wants the code, the 5-digit code, which will be the solution to the virus. So I've got to, this is not very good location right now, but this is going to be difficult. Let's see. Sorry, things are moving around a little bit, but so I'm going to type in, I guess, code in a 5-digit code.
Please confirm that is the correct code you want us to use. Press 1 for yes and 2 for no.
So no, that wasn't the right one.
Okay, try again.
Okay, try again. I'm entering the wrong code now.
Please confirm that is the correct code you want us to use. Press 1. Wrong 1.
Oops, that's the wrong code. Now I'll call back.
Thank you for calling the lab. Please enter your 5-digit code and we will confirm it.
I'll enter in the correct code. Too close to the walls here. My apartment's not very big. Well, in any case, if you enter the right code, then you win the game. That is all I have to show you.